Hello, welcome back to Bell CB. Looking at the PC-68 Elite. This is for Kerry. It's a tune-up report. Kerry's in Texas. Kerry up with this meter. We're looking at 10 watts across the top. See, it's right about 5. And there's 4 and 6. Now this one, 50 watt peak reading meter. You're going to be seeing just over 20. That's 25, that little line right there.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.